on. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one
I finally caved and I bought these cake combs that everyone's been talking about so I could do the biggest cake trend. I made this epic rainbow filling on the inside so when you cut it open you're going to see a rainbow, gave it a nice crumb coat, and then popped in the fridge to chill. Once it was out, I gave it a nice thick coat of buttercream icing, smoothed it out with the straight kind of edge cake comb, and then I went over it with this kind of grooved cake comb that creates all these grooves that you can put another color of buttercream into it. Of course, I chose rainbow. It took a while to get it smooth and get it perfect looking, but I was super happy with it, and then I wanted to top it off with some more rainbow patterns. So I made this rainbow sausage and then just kind of tested my swirl to make sure it was rainbow enough, and then swirled that all along the top of my cake. I love how colorful this one turned out. Let me know what cake trend you want me to try next, and don't forget to like and follow for more videos like this.
I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to
These niggas got it. Bitch, I got it out the muscle. You wanna fight on tussle? I'm talking about I see the pussy, boy, ain't learned his lesson. Ain't no location, but I'm gonna dress it. Cause how I feel, it's time to go to steppin'. Like go to state, this for that holding Stephen. This shit here gon' get messy. You rappers be so lame, but they won't fame from the media. Put it out my name, go check me out, Wikipedia. No LOLs explain itself a lot, I defeated you. I got it off the muscle, who the fuck said I
Last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Talk to me, I need to hear you
guys, my name is Allie and I'm a cake decorator. So today I'm making a cake for someone in my neighborhood, and we start off with some light cake layers, and while it was baking I decided to have a little snack, and then we used some almond buttercream and stacked our layers, put our first crumb coat on, and then with our second coat we used it to smooth it out to make stripes, and then we filled it in with another color to give it two-tone stripes, and then smoothed that out, put some sprinkles on the side and then some swirls on top, and then a little bit more sprinkles, and it's done.
Hey guys, I decided to make a strawberry and vanilla cake. So for this I got a vanilla cake layer, added strawberry icing, then more cake, more icing, more cake, more icing, then more cake. Then I added a thin layer of icing to catch all the crumbs. After this I added a sort of thick layer of plain vanilla icing, and I used a scraper to go around the cake a few times. I used a piping bag to fill in the gaps with the same strawberry icing that I used before. And then I kept scraping the sides until it looked okay, I guess. I know you guys see me do this part all the time, trust me, don't let me forget it, but I use ganache to add drips and fill in the top. To finish I added chocolate strawberries. Let me tell you, this cake tastes so damn good. Anyway, it's done. Okay, thanks, bye.